Oh yeah? Good stuff. Shrimp right there, y'all. Y'all, word is born. I'm here with my friend Sunshine. Word is born. She got the strawberry smoothie, y'all. Check it out. Check it out.
It's a big straw.
What's going on, family? Here in Tops, and my first item came out. I got the crab and shrimp bisque. And it's funny, when I ordered it, I don't know why I was saying crab, but I was thinking lobster. But they no longer sell lobster bisque here at Tops. We're here at the brand new Tops Diner, right in East Newark, which is not Newark, New Jersey. It's East Newark. It's actually a town, I understand. I have to really wrap my head around that one, man, because that's all new to me. But check it out, check it out. Word is born, let's check it out, let's check it out. I was talking, man, they got, you know how when they get a little cool, they get that hard film at the top? I just got a little bit, see it curling up there? But let's check it out, y'all. Let's see what it is. Ooh, that's a lot. It's very biscuity. It's very thick, very creamy. There's corn in here. I couldn't see the corn at first. I tasted it. There's shrimp in here, and she said there's shredded crab. It does taste. It really is. It's good. It's really good. It's delicious. This is the kind of thing that could fill you up. This could fill you up before the main course comes. Do I like the what? The crackers?
Are you against Starbucks?
No, I'll put some crackers in it. So Sunshine was saying that I should try some crackers in it. They got oyster crackers. Let's check out the oyster cracker, y'all. I'm holding the phone with one hand, so I'm gonna. Oh, I'm from Newark. We don't let nothing hold us back. And then, you know, when you put oyster crackers in it, you gotta let it sit for a while so they can soften up. Okay, I can hear that debate right now. Some people are like, you don't want it soft, you want it to be crunchy in the soup. Y'all, I gotta get my hot sauce, all right? I mean, it really is delicious. The crackers just added a little saltiness to it. It didn't need salt, but it really is good with the oyster crackers. I mean, it's better. It's good without the oyster crackers.
We're gonna try some hot sauce here. They got the Tabasco sauce. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's check it out. Let's check out the Tabasco sauce. Hot sauce. Hot sauce.
You want some hot sauce on yours? Make it spicy. All right, here we go, y'all. Y'all know I like the regular jerky hot sauce instead of Tabasco. Now it has that kick to it. It's good, y'all. Corn. Hold up, hold up. Whole baby shrimp. What do you think? What say you?
It was delicious.
Delicious?
The texture, the flavor.
The texture, the flavor.
Everything.
Everything, all right.
The cracker crunch.
Delicious, and it's got a cracker crunch. First time I heard that one. Yo, the food is coming, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Got the stuffed shrimp with crab meat. We got gravy on the side for our mashed potatoes. We got spinach. What is that?
Enjoy that. Chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice, girl. We could have went to a Chinese restaurant. All right, well, look, that just tell you, man, this is Tops Diner. They got some of everything, man.
You didn't say that on the video, did you?
They got some of everything. Did I say what? We could have went to a Chinese restaurant. She think that's funny. She laughing at me, y'all. She laughing at me. She laughing at me. All right. I'm gonna eat this, y'all. Look, they did not, I've been here before, and here, I don't remember them being like crunchy like that. Like when I'm saying they're crunchy, you can look at something and tell it's crunchy. But it looked like it was like kind of like braised by, I don't know, the oven maybe? I don't know. Let's taste it though. See if it still tastes delicious. All right, y'all, I'm doing the handheld job today, right? Check it out, check it out. I'm gonna just pick up one of these whole shrimp with my fingers here. See that shrimp underneath, crab meat on top. That tastes very crabby. And like I said, it's crunchy on the top. Let's take another bite. It's really seasoned well. Even though I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on it just for the game of it all. I don't need anything on there.
Let's put a tad of hot sauce, y'all. That's the hot sauce. Y'all know I got my hot sauce, right?
And let's check this out. Now, does this taste like real crab meat? It does. But it's like shredded though. It's not lumpy. I like to taste the lumpiness of the crab. You feel me? This crab like this could get old to me real quick. Huh? It looks like tuna. Sunshine said it looks like tuna. The shrimp are delicious. You want to try one? She said, no. It was like, no. The shrimp, y'all, the flavor in this shrimp is delicious. Those are not farm-raised shrimp. They're wild caught. I could taste the wildness of them, the ocean, fresh ocean taste of it. Are you laughing again? Why is she laughing at me, y'all? What is going on that you're laughing so much? Spit it out. No. I can taste the wildness, yeah. I can, y'all. Look, that's one down. You get 4 of them. You get 4 shrimp. I want to taste the potatoes and spinach next. I don't like when somebody just throws spinach in a pan and then throw it on your plate. That right there already looks like it has a little cheesiness, garlicky, butteriness stuff to it. Let's check it out. Here we go, y'all. We're gonna go for the mashed potatoes next. They got some gravy here for it. So let's put the gravy on our mashed potatoes, y'all. Check it out. Slow. See how that gravy started getting a little harder? Oh, that big piece of hardness just fell on it. Here she go again. Here she go with the laughing again. What in the world is going on? All right. This is our waiter, y'all. She is really dope. She's from the Dominican Republic. And I always want to say Santiago, but Santo Domingo. That's right. She's doing us good, y'all. Make sure y'all come to Top. Check her out. What's your name?
Abby.
Abby, that's easy to remember. I don't know why I didn't remember it. Thank you, Abby.
You're welcome. Enjoy, guys.
Here we go, y'all. Check it out. Potatoes. Let's see if they even did good on the potatoes. Wow. Wow, I want to know.
Is the potato good or is it the gravy?
I know, that's what I'm about to say. I want to know if it's the potatoes. You know what? The potatoes are definitely delicious. Hold on. Now I got to just taste the gravy by itself. They both. It's like both of the flavors. Do you want to taste them? Both of the flavors of the potatoes and the gravy are absolutely delicious. Yo, I can't even describe this. It tastes buttery. I just taste a hint, a very small hint, which I've never tasted a hint of sweetness in the gravy. But I do. Wow. Maybe that's like a garlic buttery taste. I didn't think I would eat many of the potatoes or much of the potatoes, y'all. Very, very good. The shrimp are delicious. The potatoes are delicious. The crab meat stuffing on top is really good. Now let's just go for the spinach, y'all. We can wrap this up. Spinach with nothing on it. What is that though? What is that piece right there? I could swear. Oh, look. It does have garlic in it. Can y'all see that garlic on there? Look at that. The spinach is very garlicky and it is seasoned just to perfection. I don't have to add anything to them. They're very tender, y'all. Oh yeah, taste them. Tell me what you think. What you think? Good?
It's very spinachy.
Very
I
spinachy.
taste the garlic, but I love that I can still taste the spinach.
You taste the spinach. But it doesn't have that bitter spinach. It's just really good.
It's good fresh spinach.
She said it's good fresh spinach, y'all. I know y'all can't hear. I'm gonna have to interpret. Let's get my food back, all right? She eating my spinach, yo. That was leftovers. She laughing at me again. All right, one more time. Oh, what is this? This is some type of butter.
Or oil.
They have a lemon in like cheesecloth, so you can just squeeze it. I don't know why they have the cheese. Why do they have cheesecloth on a lemon?
To keep the seeds from falling all over your food.
To keep the seeds from falling on your food. I knew that. I just was testing her. I know everything, y'all. She keep laughing at me. She thinks this is a joke. All right, let me adjust my camera, y'all. Y'all know I'm not using my gimbal today. All right. I'm about to be done, man. At Top's Diner, the soup was delicious. We got stuffed shrimp with crab. That was delicious. The spinach, the mashed potatoes were delicious. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when we go live or when we post a video. Special thanks to my patrons. Hey, Michael and Brendan, thanks for supporting this content. It's Matt. If you want to become a patron, go to patreon.com/MattDvWilliams. Let's say that again. Patreon.com/MattDvWilliams. This MattDV. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. I love you, Cat. See you next time. Peace. Peace. Oh yeah, you full, all right. She talking about she full. See? What is going on with this gravy? It's a little sweet. I taste like maybe just a hint of brown sugar or some maple syrup. Yeah, the gravy. Tell me about the gravy. Tell me. You like it? Yes? No? You can't. It tastes like sweet potatoes.
It tastes like
You know what? That might be a good explanation. It tastes sweet like sweet potatoes. You know, like that sweet potato is not that sweet like yams. My grandmother used to say yams were much sweeter than sweet potatoes. Don't try to explain that. I know some of y'all gonna try to explain it, but I used to sell sweet potatoes and white sweet potatoes, all that stuff. I still don't get it. Anyway, I'm gonna see how the big piece of crab meat is on top here. See that? I'm gonna set that aside. Now I'm laughing. And just show you how big the shrimp is. Like, wow. This is wild caught shrimp. The flavor of the shrimp, yes. I taste a little bit of the lemon now I put on it too, but these shrimp, these are the best shrimp I've had. Now these aren't fried shrimp. I'm gonna say they were baked. You think? But I'm gonna use the word, y'all know I don't be cussing much, but they're friggin' delicious. You know how in some families, you have them cuss words that aren't really cuss words, but you will still get beaten for them, like butt or friggin'. Anyway, that's it, man. I'm glad I came here. Top Steiner, East Newark, New Jersey. MattDV signing off. Peace. Peace. I know I said peace before. Y'all know I gotta sign off like 5 times before I actually sign off. I'm out.